I always get excited at the beginning of this semester because of everyone jumping into geometry. It's one of my favorite subjects, and as a draftsman and a three-dimensional programmer, I love sharing this with the students. And so let me give you a sense of how this can work really well with technology, and how technology can really illustrate things that are difficult to show on paper. I'm using a program called Sketchup, and I've worked with some of the teachers with this before. And let's just we're going to make a distinction between pyramids and prisms. So I'm going to quickly grab a square, and I'm going to quickly grab a hexagon, throw them both on here. All right, and I'm going to do that again. So I'm going to grab two. I could just copy these if I wanted to, and bring them down below as a comparative piece. Now I have two shapes. And let's put the pyramids on the top. So I would have students come in and go from this vertice to this vertice across the middle, opposing vertices on a symmetrical shape. And again, and then when done, we have a new vertice created in the middle. Same thing on the hexagon, so just cross over. A lot of fun there. Kids do that pretty quickly, just snap to snap. And now we have what we need to just make this illustration come alive, to do like a pop-up. So what we do is we spin our camera a little bit, do it on this nice program. I like that. And first thing we'll do is we'll pull up our prisms. So we'll pull up our hexagonal prism first. And a prism is just two faces pulled apart to create more faces. Same thing here with this prism. And I'm going to make them equal height and snap them together. You can put dimensions on these or anything you want. So now we see two prisms, rectangular, hexagonal prism. Now we're going to do the same thing with a pyramid, so that the students really kind of get a sense of what the difference is. Here they would just grab the vertice and not the face, and pull the vertice up. They put up on the z-axis. Same thing here with our rectangular pyramid, and we have a hexagonal pyramid. So pretty neat. I love this, and I love how it's very dynamic. Kids love to work with SketchUp. They get so excited when they can pull things out and make things in 3D. So it's a lot of fun for me. And if you'd like help, I can come by and show you personally how SketchUp works, so you can work with your kids in the shapes, when you do shapes and solids. Or I can come by and help with the classroom as well. One other thing I liked about this too is, you get done and they can animate, they can put in anything they want, they can design, and they can actually build, objects and begin shapes, houses, whatever they want, using these solids to get a real sense of how they can interact and interlock together. So it's a lot of fun, very interactive. So let me know if you want any help, or if you want to work with this kind of software. It's great stuff. Thank you.